again. Today we are going to be going to Halong Bay to see, is it worth it? We've heard a lot of people say not quite worth it, and some people say it's brilliant.
I just hope it's going to be relaxing.
It has been a very hectic lead up to this, and it's definitely taken a toll. Sleep deprived from buses, landing at a hostel at 2 a.m. and then checking out at 7 a.m. It's been intense, but we're going to see what this cruise is about. A lot of small boats bringing us out to slightly larger boats. A lot of people have said there's just far too many boats here now. So far, I understand. Got a very nice room. Nice little view as well. We have a shower, which is good.
In 24 hours, we did beach, cave, cooking class, happy hour, karaoke, kayaking, squid fishing, and eat and sleep. It was busy.
So I'm actually really happy with it. See what they mean by a lot of boats. It's gorgeous though.
Wow.
Just had a massive feast for lunch. It seems to be the same everywhere that we've been in Vietnam. They just put a whole load of food on the table for everyone just to share between, and it's always a plentiful amount. Can't really complain so far.
People are kind of shy.
It's not as social of a group as we expected.
Not social, they don't even talk.
Okay, we made it to our first stop where we're gonna go here. Shun's gonna chill on the beach and I'm gonna get to the top. They really weren't joking with the amount of boats. Holy God. There is plenty of tourists, Shun. It's not a chill beach. Shun's just gonna chill here. I'm off. I changed my mind. Far too many people. It's not exactly the chill beaches we had in Donegal. I mean, it does say everywhere that it's super touristy.
Yeah, and you can see by the amount of boats. We have one nice couple on our boat.
Yeah, we got a nice English couple. The rest haven't been too talkative.
No one of them are gonna watch the vlog. They're all shit. You just need to get a tan on your feet. It's bad. Paddy's facing the tourism. Oh, there he goes.
Too many people here too. May as well go to the top. It's the view. I'm gonna have to run back now. It's just taking far too long with people going one step a minute. I think I was really expecting after the high of Hajian, and that we booked this with Bong Hostel as well, which is the same we did Hajian, there'd be a bit more of a backpacker's lifestyle, or at least a bit of, well, it's just very much cruise ship lifestyle, and I've come to the conclusion I don't think I'll ever go on a cruise ship. Back on the boat now. Jewel went on the other boat, so she's on her own journey now. Massive queues to get into it. Mental.
Nice. So, and it's just like that. So,
spicy. Yeah, I thought it was just stay on the left. And wait on some people they do it spicy.
The turtle. Now that's sick.
no,
Like a fella's just sitting. We actually got told a really cool story about Halong Bay. Halong Bay actually means dragon lies, and when the Vietnamese kept on getting attacked, the dragon was sent to protect them, and then every time he spit fire to protect the Vietnamese people, that's when he spawned. So that's why in Halong Bay there's so many of them mountains. That's a cool story. Still too many tourists. I'm fully aware I am part of the issue. I am not Vietnamese.
We have another couple we like at this point, so we like basically 1/7 of the boat we like, and the other parts
Don't even talk to us.
no.
Are we the problem?
I don't know.
Now ain't that cute?
Too much water because later, if you put too much water, it's gonna break when you roll it. And
That's
if
what I
someone
always
here
do.
don't know,
There Paddy goes. I've got a long iced tea, so we haven't had enough alcohol these days.
because it doesn't.
You learned much?
Yeah.
I just like shop this.
I think so. It's like oyster.
One deep fried version.
Not bad.
Is it not?
No, it's pretty good.
Squid fishing. At least I caught something.
Yeah, what you catch?
In the bowl. Lon. I caught the boat. Good morning. Coffee time. Oh God. The moment for number 2. Not a poop. I mean, a plate of breakfast.
Now we're about to go kayaking. Some very full waters.
Ready.
We're all broken and shit. Built for speed.
I just need dual fates.
This one and this one.
Oh, stop.
Look in the water. Personal cave. Just for you.
Me, don't film that side.
But there's a monkey. Oh, it's a baby monkey.
What did he say? They might look cute, but they're not cute. Patrick.
Not a bad view for breakfast. Last meal.
And on the way back, we have one stop point for.
We made it back. What you think?
It is like a thing that's kind of like tick it off, but is it worth it? To tick it off, yes, but not really. It's very touristy. It's, I don't know, it's just, there's too many people. It's got too popular. It's just not my vibe. And I love touristy places, I love TikTok places, but this wasn't, you couldn't see the view, you just saw people.
Yeah, I'd pretty much say the same. It was, I would still recommend it because it's so beautiful, but like, just stay on a boat. Don't bother trying to go to a beach. Don't bother go to the cave. Just
Oh, the cave was cool.
the cave was still
cave
too
was
full
cool.
for me.
The cave was very full.
But yeah, there you go. Till next time.